Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is I'm going to show you on how to connect your Haylou GST smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys is I'm going to show you on how to connect your Haylou GST to your smartphone. So as you can see, we are going to scan this QR code. Okay, so you're going to tap the camera app and we're going to scan the QR code. Alright, so it says here open in Chrome. Okay, and we are going to download Haylou Fan application. So let's tap on get. Alright guys, so now it says installing. Okay, so now let's open our Haylou Fan application. Okay, Haylou Fan would like to access your motion and fitness activity. Tap OK. Okay, would like to use Bluetooth. Okay. Location service is not activated, so let's activate our location service. Okay, let's have your privacy and let's turn on our location. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to log in. You're going to log in this guys using your Facebook, your Twitter, or your Apple application. So in my case, let's just use the Facebook way. So it says there continue as Daphne. I'm actually using my partner's phone, so let's tap on continue as Daphne. We are now in the Haylou Fan application, so we are going to tap on add device here, and then it detected our Haylou GST. Okay, and allow while using application. So in our smartwatch, it notifies us to is it allowed to receive a mobile phone binding request. So let's tap that one and let's tap on pair. Okay, allow and confirm. Okay, so it says there firmware guys is updating, so let's just leave that one for a while. So it is actually now updating. Okay, so it's now 89 or 90% done. Alright, so now our Haylou GST smartwatch, it's already connected to our smartphone. Okay, so it's now connected guys. So as you can see, the notification here in our smartphone is displayed in our Haylou GST. Okay guys, so it's just very easy. Once again, all you have to do is you're going to scan the QR code on your Haylou GST. After that, download Haylou Fan application and set it up. Okay, turn on the location and also the Bluetooth, and after that you're good to go. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I will see you on our next video.